Today I'm going to show you how you can install, download and use Photopea. It's super easy to do. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your favorite browser. Doesn't matter if it's Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Then you need to go up here on the search bar and just click Photopea. The first link should be photopea.com and you click on that. When you're in here, you just need to go up on more. I know mine is in Danish, but here should say more in your language. You can also click it on English just to make sure that it's more. And down here you can see install Photopea. You need to click on that. And here you can see you can install or not install Photopea. You need to click install. And there you have it. Now you have successfully installed Photopea and you can use it wherever. As you can see down here, Photopea has successfully been installed. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!